thing I remember is just how welcoming everyone was. It was incredible. I met some of the craziest people I've ever met in my whole life. Sugar Bay taught me so much. They taught me how to work with all kinds of people. It taught me how to work in a team. It taught me how to manage conflict. Issues are going to come up, and Sugar Bay taught me how to manage that perfectly. It taught me how to think on my feet, be flexible, be adaptable. It taught you skills that I don't think you could really learn anywhere else. Another thing is deadlines. It really helped me get my time management in order and also have fun. And I have still got countless friends from back then. I kind of discovered a passion I never even knew I had. Because not only can you find your passion, you can also gain valuable skills along the way. Practical skills, life skills that will just come in handy. I think the Sugar Bay Academy adventure would be incredible for anyone who is looking to find what they're passionate about.